Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to verify a Payoneer account. First of all, open Payoneer. Click on Profile icon. Then click on Verification Center from here. Press the Account Verification option. From here, click on Address Verification. Select the document you're submitting. After adding the file, click on Submit. Go back to click on Government Issued Photo ID. Select the document you're submitting. Click on Add File to add a file. Then click on Submit. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.